Yes, YouTube is unfair. YouTube is biased. I am not sad about it. Nobody in this world has the power to discourage me except my own mind. मेरा घर YouTube से नहीं चलता है, but I am very very upset about it, and it will be evident from the likes, views, comments, basically the reach that this video will be given. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates. मेरे एक वीडियो पर किसी ने मुझे एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन पूछा था, जो बहुत लंबा है लेकिन मैं उसका एक कोर पार्ट पढ़ूंगा कि इंटरनेट की एक छोटी सी बट एक वर्थ कंसिडरिंग कमज़ोरी है, और वो ये है कि हमें वही दिखता है जिस पे हम अग्री करेंगे. फॉर इंस्टेंस, यूट्यूब एल्गोरिदम शोड मी योर वीडियो बिकॉज आई डू वॉच सच कंटेंट, लेकिन यूट्यूब वुडेंट शो मी द थिंग्स आई डू नॉट अग्री विथ. इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज जिसे एक्चुअली में ऐसी बातें सुननी चाहिए, जो एक्चुअली इस ट्रैप में फंसा हुआ है, उस तक ऐसी वीडियोज़ बाय इटसेल्फ नहीं पहुँचती. That looks like a comment from a real human being, and I love it when young guys ask me such interesting, stimulating and deep questions. That is the kind of guy I would like to marry, although he is straight. That is the kind of son this daddy would like to have. This gives me an opportunity to talk about this question and one very big issue that I have with all these social media products. Even though I'm not going to hold back, I can't talk everything that I have written on my blog post, which is very related to this talk, because that blog post keeps evolving and I keep adding to it and keep updating it over time as the internet and social media changes. This video will be static and it may become irrelevant over a period of time. So I'll stick to what I think is evergreen and generic and long term, but I cannot use the word platform. I cannot disrespect the word platform by using it for products like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, because platforms are fair. Whether it is a billionaire or a beggar, whoever stands on a railway platform, that's where this word comes from, isn't it? Everybody on a platform is at the same level. That is not true for these social media products. So products is the best word. To briefly answer your question, YouTube का जॉब नहीं है हमारी लाइफ चेंज करना, right? It is like influencer. You can work towards becoming a teacher. You can work towards becoming a doctor, an engineer, a lawyer. You cannot work towards becoming an influencer because no such thing exists. Unfortunately, there are so many deluded people who believe and who are working in that direction. They'll realize it later. But it is important to understand that you can end up in influencing someone. You can end up in becoming an influential person through your work, words and actions. Right? There is no such thing as working towards becoming an influencer. Same thing with YouTube. It is not YouTube's job to bring paradise on this planet. Right? Who you are, what you have searched so far, what your digital profile is, what your age group is, that is a very important factor, and that is one of my very big problems. That is what decides what is shown to you. Now, if you are a promiscuous person, it is likely, it is possible that YouTube might show you a video on how promiscuity is bad on your page, homepage. But because you are a promiscuous person, you will not click on that video at all. And 10 days later, you will have completely forgotten that such a video was even shown to you. So change begins from you. Change begins from YouTube is a search engine. So based on what you search, based on what you are looking for, you will be shown content. आपने एक ऐसी लाइन लिखी है कि एक्चुअली ऐसी बातें जिसे सुननी चाहिए, जो इस ट्रैप में फंसा हुआ है, उसे ये कंटेंट नहीं पहुंचता. बट फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि क्या वो समझता है कि वो उस ट्रैप में फंसा हुआ है, राइट? हम कैसे कह सकते हैं कि उसे ये बातें सुननी चाहिए? हम किसी का पोलिसिंग थोड़ी कर सकते हैं, और ये थोड़ी किसी के लिए डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि ये मत करो, ये गलत है बात. एट द मोस्ट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ शेयर योर ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस, और फिर अगर सामने वाले को वो समझ में आया और उसने अग्री किया, तो ही वो बातें सुनेगा और आगे लेके जाएगा अपनी लाइफ में. सो सी, शेयरिंग तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये वीडियोज़ तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि लोग शेयर करें, बिकॉज यूट्यूब इज़ लाइक वेरी क्यूट. You make content on YouTube, you share the link with your phone contacts and we'll show that video to your phone contacts. I'm like, so cute. I would rather invite my friends home and then talk whatever I want to talk, isn't it? But because there is nobody to talk back to me on YouTube here, so this is a more convenient way of doing things, isn't it? But then what is the point in using YouTube and Instagram if they are only going to show your content, at least my content, to just my phone contacts? It's pathetic, ridiculous and disgusting. Absolutely. And I mean this. शेयरिंग की जहाँ तक बात आती है तो आपको पता है कि हमारे गे वर्ल्ड में कितने फ्रेंडली और कोऑपरेटिव लोग हैं, इजंट इट? देयर इज सो मच जेलेसी, सो मच कंपटीशन, देयर इज सो मच बिचीनेस अराउंड कि they wouldn't really share your content. They would rather want to make themselves popular because popularity से काम मिलता है, right? So again, criticize भी किसको करे? मैं YouTube को अनफेयर इसलिए नहीं बोल सकता क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे पॉपुलर नहीं किया. That would be an unfair thing to do, isn't it? The problem here is how they are keeping my talent suppressed and especially about the things that one doesn't have control over. अगर मेरी वीडियोज़ अच्छे नहीं होते, मेरा कंटेंट अच्छा नहीं होता और इसीलिए मुझे रीच नहीं दी जाती, तो that would have been different. But the criteria here, and people don't believe when I share this with them. Same thing with, you know, job openings in our country. Age is a very important aspect and a factor कि पीपल डोंट बिलीव इन दिस कि एज की वजह से अगर किसी को काम नहीं मिलता है या एज की वजह से आपके रील्स को, डांसेस को, वीडियोस को रीच नहीं मिलती है. आई एम द ओनली एक्स टिकटॉकर गुड डांसर ऑन द एंटायर यूट्यूब एंड इंस्टाग्राम जिसको रीच नहीं दी गई, विच इज़ वेरी सैड थिंग. ट्राइंग टू गेट द पॉइंट हियर कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट कॉन्टेंट, इट्स अबाउट दैट discrimination that is happening, which is very very unfair. और like I said, sharing तो करनी ही चाहिए लेकिन लोग नहीं करते share videos, and I am not someone who would be very happy with receiving these dummy likes and dummy comments, although you know sometimes it is possible to do that on some of the products and you can make use of those tools, but then it is not a very satisfying feeling at the end of the day. I want to make this self-awareness very clear कि Priyanka Chopra and I were born in the same year 1982. I am aware of that. I know that she has really in real life physically worked hard in that industry to reap the benefits of or to enjoy the byproduct called fame today on social media. I am not expecting the same kind of fame or something. So मैं जो dances करता हूँ, I am not hoping that one fine day I'll become as popular as somebody who is in the same age bracket as me. I'm completely aware of that. It does not mean that I have not worked hard in my own life. I have probably worked harder than some people who claim to have worked hard in their lives just because they are popular. But with software, there is incredible amount of manipulation of numbers possible using which you can make a channel or video look high appeal or low appeal. And it is well known and obvious that some of these products have their favorites and chosen ones. Well, just go to my channel and see the likes, views and comments on my videos. That's all I would say. I understand all of that. I am not expecting to be their favorite. My only problem is that, you know, I can see my audience right there. But YouTube is deliberately keeping my channel and content look low appeal, which is due to some unfair reasons. Now, being ostracized is not my problem here. That I'm used to. And it's okay, you know. I also understand that single, gay, out and loud, proud guys of my age are very few in number in our country. So people who are the majority of the density of gay people in our country is below 30-35. I understand that you know them liking my content may not always necessarily be true. The second point is, if there's a friend of mine who cannot get rid of his sexual desires but he doesn't want to control it anyway, he wouldn't find anything wrong with it unless he sees or hears something like this. So first of all, having sexual desires, or in these hypersexualized times where if there is Grindr on your phone, for example, that is the kind of content that you will be shown by default, blah blah blah. That is how things work, and that is why I would say that it is okay even if you are a little over sexualized than you should be. I mean, as far as having those desires is concerned, I'm not saying do something wrong on the internet, as long as it does not affect your mental health. जैसे promiscuity is not a sin, it is not a crime, but it has a bad impact over a period of time. जैसे मैं किसी छोटी सी हाउस पार्टी में गया था जहाँ पर मेरी उम्र का बुड्ढा है, उसने ऑर्गेनाइज़ की थी. तो वहाँ एक 24 साल का लड़का आया था. उसने हमसे पूछा कि प्रॉमिस्क्यूटी बैड होती है क्या. शायद मेरे ग्राइंडर के प्रोफाइल में उसने पढ़ के ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था. तो वो बुड्ढे ने उसको आंसर दिया कि क्रेट में अगर आम रखे होंगे तो वो सारे आम आप क्यों नहीं टेस्ट करोगे. आई डिडंट से एनीथिंग, बट उससे क्या होगा. क्रेट के सारे आम अगर आप टेस्ट करोगे तो उससे आपका पेट खराब हो जाएगा, फिर आपको डॉक्टर के पास जाके इलाज करवाना पड़ेगा, दवाइयाँ लेनी पड़ेंगी, आप बीमार रहोगे कई सारे दिनों तक, इजंट इट. सो There's nothing wrong with promiscuity, but it has a long term bad impact on your mental health, because your mental health is influenced by the things that are happening in your life. And if because of your hypersexualized desires you are not able to build a career, build a house, gather important assets in your life, or make your life beautiful and upgrade it to a next level, you will see those impacts over a period of time. And seeking therapy at 20 is different, seeking therapy at 30 is different, seeking therapy at 40 is different, seeking therapy beyond 50 is even more different and difficult, isn't it? So it's a choice that you have to make in life, and the sooner you make that choice, the better it is. And I also want to clarify that, I am not really looking forward to meetups and collaborating with other bitchy gay creators from Mumbai, for example, or Delhi as well. I am not looking forward for that. I'll be happy with meeting my kinds of people in my own life. The only thing I'm here for is to share the spiritual awakening that I have come across. Unfortunately, I ended up in using this channel that was created in 2006 for my gay content. I should rename this channel to Gay with Sagar or something like that because I remember initially I used to upload my mother's videos, home videos, my cat's videos, and then I started uploading my spiritual videos. They used to get like whopping 30, 40, 50 views, and then one fine day I uploaded a video on a gay tour that blew up. So that is how I started. Blew up meaning 10,000 views or something. So I got very happy and I started making specific videos on this channel, and then I moved my main spiritual content to Manifest with Sagar, which is very sad because Awaken with Sagar is what my venture was, for which I quit my 6-digit monthly salary. It's okay, people do make wrong decisions in life, but I don't have too many expectations. सिर्फ एक YouTube के लोगों का एक मग भी मुझे आ गया YouTube से, तो I'll be very fine, because like Bollywood, they might also be under somebody's capricious malevolence. And this is not a bad affirmation or something, okay? I am self-aware. मैं जानता हूँ कि ये सारी बातें मैं अगर मेरे आसपास के ग्रुप के लोगों को भी अगर बताऊँ तो they may not necessarily completely try to understand or agree. Like there are very few people who will try to really go to the roots and try to understand the core crux of what I'm sharing here. So the conclusion is that YouTube is biased, YouTube is unfair, and I cannot do anything about it. And because life keeps changing, the world keeps changing, and someone from YouTube's product management team also said that if you can aim at making content for long term, that would help. So let's see.